friends, welcome to our channel. Friends, today we will see judicial exam prelim question paper with answer dated on 12th March 2022. So friends, watch our complete video, like it, share it, comment on it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. So friends, we will see question number 1. As given in section 53 of the Maharashtra Rent Control Act 1999, the offences under the following section is cognizable. Answer is option number 1, section 17. Question number 2. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into A. Answer is option number 3, sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic. Question number 3. Provision for default bail is made. Answer is option number 2. As per section 167, subsection 2 of CRPC 1973. Question number 4. Fundamental duties are given in. Fundamental duties are given in our constitution. Article 51A. Answer is option number 2. Article 51A. Question number 5. Who appoints Attorney General of India? Answer is option number 2. President. Question number 6. Protection of life and personal liberty is. Answer is option number 2. Fundamental right. Protection of life and personal liberty is fundamental right. Question number 7. Pleading means. Pleading means. Answer is option number 1. Stating material facts and not evidence. Question number 8 is cancelled. Question number 9. As per section 96 of the Penal Code, nothing is an offence which is done in the exercise of the. Answer is option number 2, right of private defence. Question number 10. Which of the proposition is correct? Answer is option number 4, all the above. Means option number 1, every partner has a right to take part in the conduct of business. Option number 2, every partner is bound to attend diligently to his duties. Option number 3, every partner has a right to have access to inspect. Means option number 4, all the. Question number 11. As per section 33 of the Maharashtra Rent Control Act 1999, the jurisdiction of the court for the area of Brihan, Mumbai is. Answer is option number 3, Court of Small Causes, Mumbai. Question number 12 is cancelled. Question number 13 is cancelled. Question number 14. Voluntarily causing grievous hurt by dangerous weapon is defined in. Answer is option number 4, section 326 of the Indian Penal Code. Question number 15. Definition of mortgage is given in. Answer is option number 2, section 58 of the Transfer of Property Act. Question number 16. The provision of Penal Code apply to any offence committed by. Answer is option number 4, any citizen of India in any. Question number 16. The provision of Penal Code apply to any offence committed by. Answer is option number 4, any citizen of India in any place without and beyond India. Question number 17. Where on a transfer of property, an interest therein is created in favor of a person to take effect only on the happening of a specified uncertain event is called, answer is option number 2, contingent interest. Question number 18. In which chapter of the penal code general exceptions are given? Answer is option number 2, chapter 4. Question number 19. Where no provision is made by contract between the partners for the duration of their partnership or for the determination of their partnership, the partnership is, answer is option number 4, partnership at will. Question number 20. Power to amend constitution is with, answer is option number 3, Parliament. Question number 21. As per Article 121, an order to set aside an abatement is, answer is option number 2, 60 days. Question number 22. The dying declaration is the statement by the person, answer is option number 3, as to cause of his death. Question number 23. Decree may be dash, answer is option number 3, either preliminary or final. Question number 24. Provision for determination of lease is given in, answer is option number 3, section 111 of the Transfer of Property Act. Question number 25. Out of the following propositions, which is correct? 1 in respect of non-payment of fine, answer is option number 1, for any term not exceeding 2 months when the amount of fine shall not exceed 50 rupees. Question number 26. Evidence means and includes, answer is option number 3, 1 and 2 above, means option number 1, oral evidence, option number 2, documentary evidence. Question number 27. First division of the schedule of period of limitation is prescribed for, answer is option number 2, suits. Question number 28. Concurrent list is given in, answer is option number 4, schedule 7th of Constitution. Question number 29 is cancelled. Question number 30. By which calendar rent shall be recovered? Answer is option number 3, British calendar. Question number 31. Judicial magistrate may arrest any person as per section 44 of the CRPC 1973. Answer is option number 1. When any offence is committed in the presence of a magistrate within his local jurisdiction. Question number 32. Provision of arrest and detention is given in, answer is option number 2, section 55 of CPC 1908. Question number 33. As per section 29 of the CRPC 1973, the court of a magistrate of the first class may pass a sentence of imprisonment for a term not exceeding, answer is option number 3, 3 years. Question number 34. The court may attach property of absconding accused under, answer is option number 2, section 83 of CRPC 1973. Question number 35. Standard rent in relation to any premises means, answer is option number 1, rent fixed by the court. Question number 36. When subtenants can become tenants, answer is option number 4, when the interest of a tenant of any premises is determined for any reason any subtenant to whom the premises have been lawfully sublet. Question number 37. Provision for substituted performance of contract is given in. Answer is option number 3. Section 20 of the Specific Relief Act. Question number 38. Under the provision of CRPC 1973, every summons shall be served by. Answer is option number 2. Police officer. Question number 39. The provision for condonation of delay is given in. Answer is option number 3. Section 5 of Limitation Act. Question number 40. Order 5, Rule 20 of CPC 1908 provides for. Answer is option number 3. Substituted service. Question number 41. Documents means any matter expressed or described upon any substance by means of. Answer is option number 4. All the above means option number 1. Letters. Option number 2. Figures. Option number 3. Marks. All the above. Question number 42. Every transfer of immovable property made with intent to defeat or delay the creditors of the transferor is called. Answer is option number 4. Fraudulent transfer. Question number 43. As per Article 65, period of limitation for possession of immovable property or any interest therein based on title is. Answer is option number 1. 12 years. Question number 44. Magistrate of the first class may issue search warrant if he has reason to believe that any person is confined under such circumstances that the confinement amounts to an offence. Answer is option number 1. Under section 97 of CRPC 1973. Question number 45. Warrant case means. Answer is option number 1. A case relating to an offence punishable with death, imprisonment for life, or imprisonment for a term exceeding 2 years. Question number 46. Which court is called as court of record? Answer is option number 3. Supreme Court. Question number 47. Specific performance of a contract cannot be enforced in favor of a person. Answer is option number 1. Who has obtained substituted performance of contract under section 20. Question number 48. The court may refuse to rescind the contract. Answer is option number 3. Where only a part of the contract is sought to be rescinded and such part is not severable from the rest of contract. Question number 49. Mandatory injunction may be granted. Answer is option number 3. When to prevent the breach of an obligation, it is necessary to compel the performance of certain acts. Question number 50. The landlord shall be entitled to inspect the premises later given on license. Answer is option number 2. At a reasonable time after giving prior notice to the tenant. Question number 51. Men's profit shall not include. Answer is option number 1. Profit due to improvements made by the person in wrongful possession. Question number 52. The plea of alibi is admissible. Answer is option number 3. As per section 11 of the Evidence Act. Question number 53. The provision of the Maharashtra Rent Control Act 1999 shall in the first instance apply to premises let for the purpose of residence education, business, trade or storage in the area specified in. Answer is option number 4, Schedule 1st and Schedule 2nd. Question number 54. Period of limitation for money payable for money lent as per Article 19 is. Answer is option number 3, 3 years. Question number 55. Burden of proof means. Answer is option number 1. Person who asserts must prove that those facts exist. Question number 56. Where a person in the town of Bombay delivers to a creditor documents of title to immovable property with intent to create a security thereon, the transaction is called. Answer is option number 4, mortgage by deposit of title deeds. Question number 57. Principle of doctrine of eclipse is given in. Answer is option number 1, Article 13, laws inconsistent with or in derogation of the fundamental rights. Question number 58. Every agreement is restraint of the marriage of any person other than a minor is. Answer is option number 3, void. Question number 59. A instigates B to murder C. B refuses to do so. Answer is option number 3. A is guilty of abetting B to commit murder. Question number 60. Who gives oath to the governor? Answer is option number 3. Chief Justice of the High Court. Question number 61. Which of the following proposition is correct? Answer is option number 4. All above are correct. Means option number 1. To disclose to the buyer any material defect in the property. Option number 2. To produce to the buyer on his request for examination all documents of title relating to property. Option number 3. To pay all public charges and rent accrued to in respect of the property up to the date of sale. Answer is all above are correct. Question number 62. Res gesti means. Answer is option number 2. Facts forming part of the same transaction. Question number 63. Provision for execution of decrees and order is given in. Answer is option number 2. Order 21 of CPC 1908. Question number 64. Dependent has to file his return statement within 30 days from. Answer is option number 1. The date of service of summons. Question number 65. As per following section, tenancy agreement to be compulsorily registered. Answer is option number 4. Section 55 of Maharashtra Rent Control Act. Question number 66. Whoever does anything with the intention of causing wrongful gain to one person or wrongful loss to another person is said to do that thing. Answer is option number 1. Dishonestly. Question number 67. No injunction shall be granted by court in a suit under Specific Relief Act 1963 involving a contract relating to. Answer is option number 4. An infrastructure project. Question number 68. Under the provision of Sale of Goods Act, it is the duty of seller. Answer is option number 2. To deliver the goods. Question number 69. Which of the following proposition is correct? Answer is option number 2. Primary evidence means the document itself produced before the court. Question number 70. Which of the following proposition is correct? Answer is option number 4. all the above means option number 1, nothing is an offense which is done by judge when acting judicially. Option number 2, nothing is an offense which is done by any person who is justified by law. Option number 3, nothing is an offense which is done by any person by accident. Question number 71. Which of the following proposition is correct? Answer is option number 2. A contract, the performance of which involves the performance of a continuous duty which the court cannot supervise. Question number 72. No court shall try any suit or issue in which the matter directly and substantially in issue has been directly and substantially in issue in a formal suit between the same parties is called. Answer is option number 2, res judicata. Question number 73. Every person is competent to contract. Answer is option number 4, all the above means option number 1, who is of the age of majority according to the law. Option number 2, who is of sound mind. Option number 3, who is not disqualified from contracting by any law. Question number 74. Provision for burden of proving fact, specially within knowledge, is given in. Answer is option number 4, Section 106 of Evidence Act. Question number 75. Court may issue a commission under Section 75 of CPC. Answer is option number 4, all the above means option number 1, to examine any person. Option number 2, to make local investigation. Option number 3, to make partition. Question number 76. The provisions of the Maharashtra Rent Control Act 1999 shall not apply. Answer is option number 3, to any premises belonging to the government. Question number 77. Provision for who may obtain specific performance is given in. Answer is option number 3, Section 15 of Specific Relief Act. Question number 78. As per the statement of objects and reasons of the Criminal Law Amendment Act 2018, it amended the law relating to. Answer is option number 1, rape. Question number 79. Principle of estoppel is. Answer is option number 2, rule of equity. Question number 80. The schedule for period of limitation is divided in. Answer is option number 1, 3 division. Question number 81. A magistrate exercising jurisdiction in respect of a charge on which he has power only to commit for trial to another court is. Answer is option number 2, not a judge. Question number 82. The transfer of certain existing immovable property voluntarily and without consideration is called. Answer is option number 4, gift. Question number 83. A lets a farm to B on condition that he shall walk 100 miles in an hour. Answer is option number 3, the lease is void. Question number 84. Which injunction may be granted to prevent the breach of an obligation existing in favor of a person, whether expressly or by implication? Answer is option number 4, perpetual injunction. Question number 85. Which of the following proposition is correct? Answer is option number 3, a public office cannot be transferred. Question number 86. A decree may be executed. Answer is option number 3, either by the court which passed it or by the court to which it is sent for exhibition. Question number 87. On the commencement of the Maharashtra Rent Control Act 1999, the following laws shall stand repealed. Answer is option number 4, all the above. Means option number 1, the Bombay Rents Hotel and Lodging House Rates Control Act 1947. Option number 2, the Central Provinces and Bureau Regulation of Letting of Accommodation Act 1946. Option number 3, the Hyderabad Houses Rent Eviction and Lease Control Act 1954. All the above. Question number 88. Provision of Section 5 of the Limitation Act applies to the. Answer is option number 4, 2 and 3 above. Means option number 2, appeal, and option number 3, application. Question number 89. A tradesman leaves goods at B's house by mistake. B treats the goods as his own. Answer is option number 2. B is bound to pay A for them. Question number 90. A stipulation in a contract of sale with reference to goods which are subject thereof may be. Answer is option number 1, warranty. Question number 91. Public records kept in any state of private document is. Answer is option number 1, public document. Question number 92. Magistrate may record any confession or statement made to him in the course of an investigation. Answer is option number 3, under section 164 of CRPC 1973. Question number 93. When one person signifies to another his willingness to do or to abstain from doing anything with a view to obtaining the assent of that other to such act or abstinence. Answer is option number 3. He is said to make a proposal. Question number 94. No suit under section 6 of the Specific Relief Act shall be brought. Answer is option number 1. After the expiry of 6 months from the date of disposition. Question number 95. Period of limitation for 12 years for a landlord to recover possession from a tenant starts. Answer is option number 2. When the tenancy is determined. Question number 96. CRPC 1973 extend to. Answer is option number 2, the whole of India. Question number 97. Which of the following proposition is incorrect? Answer is option number 3. In computing the period of limitation for any suit, the day from which such period is to be reckoned shall not be excluded. Question number 98. Consent is said to be free when it is not caused by. Answer is option number 4, all the above. Means option number 1, coercion, option number 2, undue influence, option number 3, fraud, all the above. Question number 99. Any appeal may be admitted after the prescribed period if the appellant satisfies the court that. Answer is option number 2. He had sufficient cause for not preferring the appeal. Question number 100. When the person to whom the proposal is made signifies his assent thereto, the proposal is said to be accepted. A proposal when accepted becomes a. Answer is option number 3, promise. So friends, all the best.